Hey guys, BigLogan here, Mountaineer Vanworks, doing a van tour video today in depth of our latest conversion. It's a 2023 Brand Promaster 159-inch wheelbase non-extended high roof. This unit is for sale and we'll have it listed up on Vanlife Trader, and you can also contact me through my social media at Mountaineer Vanworks on TikTok, Facebook, and Instagram as well. Let's get into it. Uno, dos, tres. So exterior features, just going around the outside of the van here in the shop, is the curved 52-inch LED light bar, and we've got the Fiamma awning. This extends out very nicely and covering the space. It's such a tall van. This entire area gets covered and makes a really nice hangout area. We've got some custom vinyl graphics on the sides and the back. Beautiful mountain peaks, evergreen silhouette, our logo up here, and a full window line wrap in matte black vinyl. So you can see it just carries all the way around, all the way up to both sides of the windows. So beautiful color scheme, blacked out wheels, Falcon Wild Peak AT3W all-terrain 10-ply tires, and we've got 600 watts of solar on the roof. That's equipped and paired with the Fiamma roof rack. So we've got rear pod LEDs here to illuminate your workspace or shower area out back, which we'll get into later. So the solar panels are paired with the Dometic RTX 2000 on the front and a Max Air roof vent fan over the bed in the rear. Coming to the back of the van, we've got our shore power inlet by Furrion, 30 amp, running right to a battery charger. So that's 3 sources of charge with the alternator and solar. We've got some nice flush mount bunk windows. Really like how slim these are versus the clamp ring style window. Really cool look, nice black tinted window, very private, nice and small. And the windows all the way around up front, so driver side, passenger side, cargo door. Okay, so moving into the cargo door area, first thing we meet is the kitchen galley that protrudes out. That gives you a nice view while cooking on the induction cooktop, as well as doing dishes and washing things down in the sink. We've also got a stationary soap pump here that's easily refillable right through the top. Outside here, we have our standard and very convenient drop-down table. I always tell folks that this is a great location to house a trash can, so you keep your camp tidy on the outside. When this door's open, when it's shut, you simply go through the cabinet door on the inside. So we've got our master lighting control and dimmer right here in the middle, and another outlet right here if you want to conveniently set something up on the countertop and use that area. We've also got the rest of our controls right here under the kitchen galley main door. Like I said, access to a trash can underneath. And then we've got our freshwater tank level gauge here, our hot water on a rotary timer, that way you don't accidentally leave it on, and our 2 other zoned LEDs, which is our headache rack storage area and our newly added false drawer shower cabinet. Has lighting now that really helps illuminate that countertop space. Finally, over here we have our gray tank electric ball valve dump switch. Got nice soft close cabinets all the way up and down. These look great. Shaker cabinet fronts. Stainless black sink, 13 by 15. The nice black faucet head with 2 different spray profiles. And coming over here over our induction cooktop is a nice area that we call the spice rack. Just can store some really nice quick grab items while you're cooking or cleaning or washing up, depending on what you want to use that space for. So the main convenience and conversion feature of the Mountaineer Vanworks ProMasters is the convertible shower area. So you can see the shower pan below. That's simply revealed without losing any countertop space. That pushes back on the lift strut. And then the false cabinet lifts and reveals your mixer and shower wand. So this system has hooks populated all the way around the top and the perimeter under the mixer and wand that allow you to drape a fabric shower curtain. 360 coverage, keep the water from splashing around. Makes for a nice, convenient, and quick shower location. Simply fold that back, drop this countertop down, and now we're back in cooking, food prep, and countertop mode without the loss of a built-in full shower system. So we have chevron style acacia butcher block, which is new for our build. Really thought this went in line with our new styling. We've got some other accent pieces along our chair cubbies and our footboard of our bed. So as you can see here, we've done some inlay work and just really make it more premium finish. So all of our cabinets boast the Freedom Van inspired 45s underneath the overhead storage. Gives it a really nice aesthetic look and functional for when you're in the bed in the back here. So this is our convertible king bed area in the rear of the van over our garage area. We've got nice sidewalls that also have a lot of sound insulation and temperature insulation because we're able to sleep lengthwise versus side to side. Okay, so here is the king bed pulled out with the two pre-sheeted memory foam chunks popped into place. Like I said, we didn't have those in view earlier. They just simply stow right on top of this mattress. Footboard slides back in. In the very back, we've got a nice cozy upholstered headrest area and dual reading lights on both sides of the van. They also have USB chargers so you can conveniently lay your phone in the windowsill while you're charging at night on both sides. Okay, so the bed is converted back to travel mode or single sleeper sideways mode, you could say. You don't always need to bring these cushions with you, depending on who all's traveling, how many of you there are. So behind the dinette area is another countertop. Below it is our Dometic CRX 4.6 cubic foot fridge freezer combo. Really nice premium stainless front and tons of ample storage, great storage compartments in there. Nice locking front too. So up front are two deeper overhead storage cabinets. Bring these out a little bit deeper, that way they're not intruding over the bed area, but we get more volume, and that houses our microwave overhead. And we have our Webasto cabin heater positioned right behind the captain's chair here and in front of the dinette chair. So back to the 32-inch TV. This does have a locking pull cord that releases it. That keeps it pinned to the wall very nicely. And this unit is able to pull right out and position in front of the workspace. So in this configuration, the TV and the dinette chair and dinette area tie together to make a really nice ample workspace for a laptop, notebook, pen and paper, and your TV floats behind. Again, the input for a laptop or any video device can go conveniently right here to the workstation, dinette area, and that's pre-routed into the TV already. So here's a second workstation configuration where you can lounge and chase out with your feet, maybe after a long day on the road. So nice comfortable seating position where the dinette table swivels. And again, the TV can still point that way. It would just be a little bit further off the dinette table with the limitations on the articulating mount. Okay, so here's that conversion with the table dropped and the cushions falling in to make a 5.5 foot small bed area, or a nice decent sized couch right beside the swivel chairs. Just a nice view looking right outside the main cargo door there. So underneath each dinette chair is a nice large storage cubby. And also our false floor here that raises us up on plane with the captain's chairs. We utilize that space, and we have another pull-out drawer here. Okay, so coming around back, this is where all the magic happens as far as utilities of the camper. We've got really nice, again, upholstered headrest areas that helps dampen the sound and just make a really nice quiet bed area. Here's the pre-upholstered sheets, left and right. As I'd mentioned for the bed, these just tie together but come off like a pillowcase to wash. It's a lot easier than putting a slip cover around the entire king bed every single time you make a bed. So it's a very fast and efficient way to transform from a collapsed area with more living space up front to a nice large comfortable bed. So the power system is housed over this left driver's side wheel well This is all nice, again, sound dampening and very functional exterior rated upholstery. In here we've got storage areas. Right now we have our vehicle documents there, some extra remotes, and the spare tire jack stored in with the power system and lithium batteries. So 206 amp hours times 2 is 412 amp hours of lithium batteries with a 3,000 watt inverter and a solar and alternator charge controller, as well as shore power. All that power is distributed through this box here from the master disconnect. And we have our AC shore power in with chargers, our inverter and receptacles, and individual 120 breakers, as well as our 12-volt fuses. So this garage area is illuminated with this lower blue light, and the upper red light is our outdoor pods. This gives great light to the surrounding area with those bad boys. Again, the entire unit can be shut off by simply turning the master power switch on and off. Got a nice decorated headboard here, our logo as well, and this is our water bay over here, concealed by, again, another upholstered utility bay. So we boast a 30-gallon freshwater tank in here, a 2.5-gallon water heater, and then an outdoor shower head and mixer. And there's our freshwater fill-up port for that 30-gallon tank. So this unit simply just deploys right from here and can click in right to the door. So this is the outdoor shower fashioned off the back door, and a curtain rod can be fashioned simply across both of these doors for privacy. So that wraps up the garage area and space. This is ample height here for a mountain bike to fit with the front tire removed. We've also got the Max Air roof vent fan over the bed, which you just lay in bed and simply push the controls there. All right, so that wraps up the tour for today. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you made it this far in the video, as I said before, reach out to me on my socials, mountaineervanworks.com, or you can direct message me on Instagram, TikTok, or Facebook. So Van Life Trader listing will be up, and hope you guys take care. God bless. Thanks again. Peace out.